How to put Verizon router in bridge mode. First of all, to put your Verizon internet gateway into bridge mode, you will need to turn on something called IP passthrough. This basically lets your own router take over the network instead of the Verizon router. Once you turn it on, the Wi-Fi from the Verizon router shuts off automatically, and the connection gets handed over to the LAN 2 port on the bottom of the device. After that, go to the router's admin page and open the Advanced tab. Then move into the Network Settings area and look for the Home or Office Network section. Inside the settings, you will find an option for IP passthrough. You simply turn that on and save the changes. The router will restart, and you wait until the light becomes solid white again. Once the router is back on, connect your own router or switch to the LAN 2 port. From that moment, your personal network device will receive the main IP address directly, and the Verizon unit just passes the connection through. If you ever need to turn it off, you connect to the LAN 1 port, open the admin panel again, and switch the pass-through option back off. So this is how to put Verizon router in bridge mode. Like and subscribe if this helped.